want to you. Me know you. Who is you when come up? Listen me. You know, since you're color ungrateful, and if you're color Latino. The way you fast now people business should have better off in life, but our people business is like a fucking crow. But I tell you something.
NinjaMan rude, man.
That money they want to give me now, so that must make me work still. Because you have a little careless woman where you have out there, so it's lame. Let me tell you something. Look a red Coca-Cola sitting on one grateful. Tell her, say, the younger one can't grateful, I must be people who promote things. Because the work when we do this thing, nobody can pay me boy a feet, here. So that little red and scoop or something out there, so. Little loquacious characters and men, they kind of like a nincompoop where you have out there, so. We address ourselves. We don't know how to make our decent to counter our piggish mentality and don't perplex my tranquility. Because she's not like a sappy piece of cloth. Yeah, let me get to things now, go on a chat about. That me a chat about. The little face, the little ranking, something where you have out there, so now me a chat about. I want to know. Something they come from.
NinjaMan.
I wish where something they come from. I want to know, man. I want to every day. You feel like nothing they will me not kill.
I want to alone not kill nobody else.
I want to you. Well, the thing is that now, I'm not getting involved in a bounty and Tommylee work. Right now, I'm not business about you know. You must know what phone and what war about. Me? Any who make my phone name. I don't have my name to make. When I get bail from I-Rise in prison, I was breaking news on BBC and CNN. So me no need no name to make back. Me big, bad, massive and large.
Alright.
When me say war, I'm ready.
I never get ninja.
So tell me now, who else there now? Tommylee just come to business what they are doing. Young and bad, but who not be
alright, I can tell you something. I watched Tommylee perform the other night. And when I look upon Tommylee, I hear him say, D-man. No D-man in night, man. You don't have a D-man talk. You man no D-man. But see, Tommylee, your father and me a friend. You hear that? Me not come here to kill you. I want to see your rights. Because you see that good style away about him dig it home. Let me tell you something. I've been looking out there, and the problem is that. That's why you have to straighten out that demon thing here. All I look at you them in the school nowadays, Tommylee, is Tommylee. You don't have no more popcorn in there, people then heat out that. It's Tommylee. Because we really have a problem with the demon, because when you say demon now, we buy 7 hog, we buy 2 lion, we buy 3 alligator, 5 crocodile, and we sit down and say, see me now, any day demon rise now, if all of them lion, tiger, crocodile and alligator, you can't hear me. Me I send him to the yard, them enough, I am not, at 12, and you have a responsibility to guide the younger generation to them.
NinjaMan just come and entertain, man. If you're on stage, if you're doing an interview, if you're on the ends with him friend them, anywhere, NinjaMan.
Destination, and if you lead them in the wrong way,
entertain
the wrong concept, then we turn generation as vipers even find you same one. When me come and be a little baby. You understand? See you come here now and me kind of one officer talk. Me not even know say I'm a come from. Me about Tommylee, me I wonder where he come from. You understand? And when me go here, I'm my best friend's son. You understand? So right now you hold up your thing a shot, cause me watch you. And the thing is that again, I want you belly up them tune there. Cause me I watch your work the other night. Every advice you have to get right now. Cause some I teach you them now, you know. They sang them. Stop the song them where them are catch the front and rear. You see you tune them, I want you start put some lyrics in the belly of your tune them, that when people hear them are hear lyrics. Yeah? Go back, go listen. NinjaMan them and Popcaan them in the ears them back and hear how much lyrics in a one song. And that music charter right now. But you what now, I'll tell you something, man.
That is the truth, man. You see, I'm a young man like this. 80s dancehall is my favorite type of dancehall. People my age, they love this new type of thing, like Skeng, Valiant, Kartel, whoever them name. Cunning Guy is good. is a Conical and some conscious people like that. But the 80s, the 90s, Terra Fabulous, I guess the Popcaan and Stitchy. Yeah, I can name forever Popcaan, Charlie Chaplin. So NinjaMan is my favorite artist. NinjaMan and Popcaan, my giant favorite, and then K-pop and then, you know, go down to Johnny P and all them. So it's true, back in them days, I had a lot of lyrics, conscious lyrics too, in the music. They need to bring back to this time. Because now they lost the Jamaica vibe, the dancehall vibe. Boy, this new dancehall called trap dancehall. I don't know what is this. But yo, I can just stick to my rubber dub and live nice, you know.
One thing me about remember and say, yeah, that one night and night where
run
that pitch up night. It's the things with me and SuperCat. Cause that night is the first night my foot ever shake on a stage. Cause when Cat come out and say warning, clear the way they are party, then rise the father against the son, killing if you done, you can't done. Let me tell you something. At 3/4 stadium turn up, me never see that yet. And when you draw the next tune, when you draw the second tune, in then are good. You understand? And then again, when you bring the battle in the crowd, that's why one next part you remember the amount of battle when me have to say, hold on, don't fling one more here. So, the night there was a night when me nearly dead. And me will tell you, more than 200 people could have died. If me never stepped front of SuperCat that night, and them battle they really fling, all of who the backstage dead, and the stampede out of stadium. Come here and selling, you see all you might tell me a prayer, you know. Yet no boy ever bring crowd in a stadium, ever full stadium yet. I mean SuperCat full that, you know. I mean young artists you walk with a jam and Ram Arena me alone, you know. And me you carry the biggest motorcade in Jamaica. You have to come to me a foreign, you know you think you have no artist wait, what? Oh you mean I'm get here? Me a tell you have to come to me.
Tell them.
I want you. Me a tell you have to come to me, boy. I want you. Oh, Jack Tom Shah.
Take me back to here. Where do you have Vybz Kartel? Take me back to that thing.
I can tell you something. You see me? You see if I tell you, say I forgive you, I forgive everything about you.
Okay.
Try don't bring me back in a nothing where make me a flashback to kill people, pick me. Yeah? Don't do that. That is a negative side of music. When me have to stand up and be a man and know which part if you do, which part if you turn, and when if you do, and what is right and wrong. That is a time when me have to make a serious decision. Yeah?
When do you expect that you get physical?
I don't care whether it was going to get physical, I did get physical. That was of the past, and let bygones be bygones. Ask me about the good things that we're going to sting, we're supposed to go on and sting. Don't ask me about no mishap sting. Why you try to bring the negative side of life up all the while? No journalists don't deal with corruption, you know. Corruption now, super not drink it. Why not drink it yourself?
No, it's true, it's just like if you see the Emily Crooks videos, top of the screen right now you see Emily Crooks and NinjaMan 2003. Oh, pure negativity. She asked NinjaMan about going on. Boy, just go watch them. Top of the screen. Link in the description. Cause it's true, a journalist to just promote pure negativity for real.
You want me to tell you who you forgot to ask that? Mama Ivy and Mr. Price. And I think both of them dead. Come here and Bounty daddy, so we couldn't tell Bounty what to do. Bounty is his own big man, he have his own career, and he must know what he want out of life. You want me to tell you who you forgot to ask that? Mama Ivy. Why you try to bring the negative side of life up all the while? You know journalists don't deal with beer corruption, you know. Corruption down the soup and not drink it. Why not drink it yourself?
That's way said Bounty right now.
You want me to tell you who you forgot to ask that? Mama Ivy and Mr. Price. And I think both of them dead. Come here and Bounty daddy, so we couldn't tell Bounty what to do. Bounty is his own big man, he have his own career, and he must know what he want out of life. Yeah? Go Beanie Man a talk but to me him and nobody. Joy go arise no free up Addy. As he step through the jail do me deal with him shabby. Thump down my bother in front of him daddy. Then me drive go big yard and go back down shabby. Don't bother ramp with me no. Anything test a dead boy.
Hear me. This a one is a warning. If you listen to what my like awning. Me not afraid of a fool, you know, cause the thing in my back like I'm still like a school, you know. Me kill them easy. Me boy take off anytime.
Let me tell you something. Me I tell you this. The other day, you can't bring gun and badness to me. And when you're ugly like a muggle. But let me tell you this. When me see you, one thing me have to tell you. Woman, me love you when you're real tight. Fig with me body straight through the night. We in the bed like two, but how did you fight? And when me hit up on you, it's like a dynamite. Me tell you wine for me. I got done with Mrlen.
Alright. Entertainment with NinjaMan again. We give thanks.